Hello friends, in this video tutorial, we will show you how to display Flash messages on the web page in Node JS by using Connect Flash module of Node JS. This Flash message has been displayed only one time. When page has been redirected, and when we have to refresh web page, Flash message will be removed. And Flash message has been used for display any success event, any validation error, or display any information. So now, we will display Flash message under our Node JS CRUD application. So when we have to insert or update or delete operation, then that operation success message will be displayed using this Flash message. Now let's start discussing this topic. So for display Flash message, first we need to install Express Session and connect Flash module under our Node application. So for this, we have go to command prompt. And here, we have go into our Node Express application directory. And here, we have to run following command. This command will download Connect Flash and Expression Session module under our Node application. So here, we can see that, here we have write Express, which is required by the Connect Flash library to run. And here, we have using Express Session module, so it will create session whenever a message is flashed, and it will display message on next redirected web page. Now we want to integrate Flash message in our Node application. So here in text editor, we have to open app.js file. And under this file, we need to import Connect Flash and Express Session module. So here, first we need to import Express Session module. So for this, here we have to write session variable is equal to require function, and under this, we have to write Express Session module name. After this, we need to include Connect Flash module. So here, we have to write Flash variable is equal to require function, and under this, we have to write Connect Flash module name. So this way, we can import modules under app.js file. Now we need to implement Flash message under app.js file. So here, we have to write app.use function. And under this function, we have to write session function. So this function will set up session in the Node application. Under this function, we have to write first parameter secret with value Webslesson. It is a random unique string key, which is used to authenticate a session. After this, we have write cookie parameter with value max age set to 60,000. This option sets the cookie expiry time, and the browser will delete the cookie after the set duration elapses. In third option, we have to write save when initialized, which is set to false. And in last option, we have to write resave option, which is set to false. So this way, we can set up session in Node application. Now we want to call Connect Flash module. So for this, here we have to write app.use function. And under this function, we have called Flash function, which will call Connect Flash module. Now we have go to roots directory, and here we have to open sample data.js file. And under this file, first we want to display success message when data has been inserted. So for this, we have go to insert data root. And here above web page redirect code, we need to define Flash message code. So for this, here we have to write request.flash function with two parameter. So here in first parameter, we have to write success. And in second parameter, we have to write message. So here in message, we have to write sample data inserted. So after successfully inserting of data, it will display success on web page on next web page redirect. After this, we want to display Flash message on edit event. So we have go to edit form submit route. And here, we have to write request.flash function with two parameter. So here, in first parameter, we have to write success. And in second parameter, we have to write sample data updated message. So it will display this Flash message after successfully editing of data. And after this, we want to display flash message on delete data operation. So for this, we have go to delete data root. And here, we have to write request.flash function with two parameter. In first parameter, we have to write success, and in second parameter, we have to write sample data deleted message. So it will display this flash message after successfully deleting of MySQL data. After this, for display flash message on the web page, so we have go to views directory. And here, we have to open sample data.js template file. And under file, we have go into display MySQL data in HTML block of code. And here, first we have to write node code syntax. And between this, we have to write if statement. And under condition, we have to write message.length value is greater than 0. If this condition true, that means there is any flash message has been stored under session. And it will execute if block of code, and under this block we have to create one division tag with class is equal to bootstrap alert and alert success class. And between this, we need to display flash message, so here, we have to write node code syntax. And for print data on web page, here we have to write is equal to sign. And after this, we have to write message variable, which will print flash message on the web page. So here, our code is ready. Now we have save it, and go to command prompt. And here, we have to run this command. So this command will start Node JS server. Now in the browser, we have type localhost with 3000 port number, /sample data. So here on web page, we can see that MySQL table data has been displayed in HTML table format. Now we have to click on the add button. So here, we can see that add data form has been loaded in browser. Now here, we have to fill form details one by one. And after this, we have to click on the add button. So after click on the add button, here we can see that web page has been redirect. And here, we can see that MySQL data has been displayed on web page. And above this, we can see flash message like data insert. Now we want to display flash message on edit data event. So we have to click on this row edit button. So here, we can see that edit form has been loaded in browser with fill form data. Now we have make some changes in form data, and after this, click on the edit button. So after click on the edit button, here page has been redirect to another page. And here, we can see MySQL data in HTML table format, and above it, we can see flash message, which has been displayed after edit data event. And lastly, we want to display flash message on delete data event. So for this, we have click on this row delete button. And after click on the delete button, here can see that data has been deleted. And here, we can see flash message on delete data event. So this way, we can display flash message in Node JS using Connect Flash module. And here, we have completed Node JS CRUD application. In next part, we will be meet with some interesting video tutorial. So, we will be meet in the next part. Lastly, thank you for watching this tutorial, and do not forget to subscribe our channel.